Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Today I am going to narrate a true story from your EVS textbook Looking Around. The story will be in two parts. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand different types of plants that grow in Rajasthan, love for plants and animals, importance of plants and animals. Children, do you know what is it? Tell me. Yes, it is a desert. Desert means a place where find only sand and sand. Where do you see the desert in India? Tell me. Yes, in Rajasthan. पधारो म्हारे देश राजस्थान. Children, have you seen this advertisement? Yes, because Rajasthan is a typical state which is known for its hospitality, its culture, its camel ride, and its soil. It is also known for its tree. A map of India is shown here in which we have to locate Rajasthan. You can see this yellow colored state is Rajasthan in the map of India. Here, yellow color shows the desert part of Rajasthan. Its desert is known as Thar Desert. Children, now it is time to do an activity. It is a blank map of India in which you have to show Rajasthan and do it yourself only. Children, Rajasthan is a desert land in which some special type of trees are found. These trees needed little water. In desert area there is a scarcity of water, so these trees are very helpful. Now we will see various types of trees that are found here. First of all, we have care tree. It is a desert tree. It is very useful in the dental problems. It gives relief in dry cough also. Alinia tree. There is a place named Kota where plenty of Alenia trees are found. It also requires less water. बच्चों, क्या कभी आपने इमली खाई है? बताओ। अच्छा, यह देखो इमली का पेड़, टैमरिंड ट्री। हैव यू हर्ड दिस सॉन्ग? इमली का बूटा, बेरी का पेड़, इमली खट्टी मीठे बेर, इस जंगल में हम दो शेर। हाँ, आप बहादुर हो, जभी तो यह गाना आपने सुना है। Galantis tree is commonly known as bulbous tree. It is very small and thorny tree. Children, we have discussed many trees. Now one more tree is there. Have you seen it somewhere near your place or in your textbook? Tell me. Yes, you have seen it in your textbook. Children, it is Khejdi tree, the lifeline of Rajasthan. We shall talk about this Khejdi tree in detail. बच्चों, यह बताओ कि राजस्थान के ये सभी पेड़ आपके आसपास के पेड़ों के समान हैं? क्या ऐसे ही हैं आपके आसपास के पेड़ भी? अच्छा, तो हम अब खेजड़ी ट्री के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Children, we will discuss about this wonder tree named Khejdi. There is a village named Khejrali near Jodhpur district in Rajasthan, where we find many Khejdi trees. So the village got its name from the tree only. चारों तरफ खेजड़ी पेड़ होने के कारण गांव का नाम खेजरली रखा गया। क्या आप भी किसी ऐसी जगह का नाम जानते हो जिसका नाम किसी पेड़ पर रखा गया हो? You can find it. It can be rightly said that Khejdi tree is a tree of desert. The tree grows on a variety of soil, and its wood is so strong that it will not be affected by insects. So it is also called as king of desert. Ayurveda have long been used in curing a variety of ailments, particularly the bark extract of this tree is used in treatment of snake bites. Yes, its bark is used for making medicines that are also helpful in treating skin related issues. Therefore, people worship Khejdi tree on the occasion of जन्माष्टमी। बच्चों, जन्माष्टमी भगवान श्री कृष्ण के जन्मदिन पर मनाया जाता है। We should know about the beans of this tree. People cook and eat its fruit, that is beans. Yes, children. Kher sangri is one of the greatest dishes in the menu of Rajasthani culture. When kher is cooked along with another desert vegetable called sangri beans, the dried beans of khejdi tree are stored and used for cooking around the year. So, by looking its food value, we can say that it is very precious for everyone. I have told you that the tree is precious. If we talk about the nutritious value of leaves, then we will say that it is highly nutritious. Its leaves are the top feed of camels. रेगिस्तान के जहाज को खेजड़ी पेड़ की बीन्स पसंद होती हैं। हाँ बच्चों, खेजड़ी के पेड़ को मरुभूमि का कल्पतरु कहा जाता है, क्योंकि इस पेड़ का हर एक भाग किसी न किसी रूप में जरूरी है और यह कल्पतरु खेजरली गांव में बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में पाया जाता है। And our story is also related to this tree and अमृता। अमृता? हाँ बच्चों, खेजरली गांव में एक लड़की थी जिसका नाम अमृता था। आज हम खेजरली गांव और अमृता के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। This is a true story from long ago, almost 300 years ago. In a village called Khejrali lived Amrita. यह एक गांव की कहानी है। Now tell me, what do you mean by 300 years? Okay, 100 runs is equal to 1 century. In cricket, we see 1 century is equals to 100 runs. Like this, 100 years is equals to 1 century. So, we can say that 100 years is equals to 1 century. 200 years is equals to 2 centuries. 300 years is equals to 3 centuries. Now tell me, if we have 500 years, then how many centuries will be? Yes, we have 5 centuries. Now we will move forward in our story. The khejdi tree is found mainly in desert area. It can grow without much water. As Rajasthan is a desert, there is scarcity of water, so this king of desert grow very well. अब आप बताओ कि कौन कौन बच्चे गांव में रहते हैं। The people of this village took great care of the plants, trees, and animals. Goats, deer, hares, and peacock roamed fearlessly there. क्या आपके गांव में भी ऐसा होता है? हाँ, जरूर होता होगा। The people of this village remembered what their elders used to tell them. अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं। They said this very wisely. बच्चों, हमारे पूर्वज, हमारे बड़े बूढ़े, दादा दादी, नाना नानी हमें अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताते हैं और ज्ञानवर्धक चीज़ों को हमें बताते हैं। अमृता would get up early every morning and greet her friends, the trees. Are you get up early in the morning? Yes, you should. And you also greet your parents. Now she would choose a special tree for the day. She would put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper to the tree, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also." क्या आपने भी कभी किसी पेड़ से ऐसा कहा है? हाँ, जरूर कहा होगा। Children, we have to take care of plants because they are very helpful for us. They give us many things. Like Amrita, the other children also had their special trees. They would play for hours in the shade of the tree. Yes, children, you can also play, but you should do some project work also. Shall we do? Yes, we should do. Why don't you make a new friend this year? You can make. Plant a sapling in your house and take care of it. You must observe its growth. Now it is time to do activity. Fill in the blanks. First one is for you. Dash is the most common tree that grew in Amrita's village. Tell me the answer. Khejdi tree. Yes, children. It is Khejdi tree that grew in Amrita's village. See the second one. Khejrali village is in Dash district of Rajasthan. Name the district. Of course, it is Jodhpur. Khejrali village is in Jodhpur district of Rajasthan. The third one, Rajasthan is a dash place. Tell me. Yes, desert. Rajasthan is a desert place. Okay, children, stay happy. We shall meet in the next video. Thank you. The khejdi tree is found mainly in desert area. It can grow without much water. As Rajasthan is a deserted land, there is scarcity of water, so this king of desert grow very well.